3 reasons to start a digital marketing business in 2025. Over the next 3 days, I'm going to walk you through why you should get started in digital marketing this year. Hi, I'm Cece, and I help mamas make money online without the stress and the burnout. I'm going to be sharing with you why 2025 is the perfect year to get started in digital marketing, whether you're a beginner or looking for a career change. Stick around because I'm going to be sharing not only why you should get started in digital marketing and how the industry is exploding, but how you can get started with just a few hours a day. Digital marketing is expected to have double-digit growth over the next 5 years. It is a multi-billion-dollar company with more and more companies entering into the digital space. These skills are desperately needed. As more companies realize the importance of having digital real estate, learning these skills becomes valuable. As technology continues to improve in 2025, it is making it easier to get started in digital marketing, allowing you to focus on your branding and letting the automated systems take care of the rest. I hope this helps you understand the importance of being a part of this growing industry. And tomorrow I'm going to come back and share with you reason number 2 why this year is the year to get started in digital marketing. If you want to be part of a community where I share behind the scenes tips for other mamas looking to get started or grow their digital marketing business, go to the link in my description and you can get access to my free community. I'll see you tomorrow.